How much do you know about bones, muscles, and the brain? Let's find out with a 20-question quiz. Answer in the comments. Today we're diving deep into the incredible machine that is the human body. We'll cover the scaffolding that holds you up, the engines that move you, and the supercomputer that runs the show. That's right, bones, muscles, and the brain. I put together a quiz to test your knowledge and share some amazing facts you can use to impress your friends. Keep track of your answers and see if you're a true human body genius, ready to prove you're a biology whiz? Let's jump into the first question. Post your final score in the comments. I want to see how you do. Let the quiz begin. First up, which part of the brain controls thinking and memory? Is it A, the cerebellum, B, the cerebrum, or C, the medulla? Lock in your answer. The answer is B, the cerebrum. It's the largest part of your brain, handling thoughts, memories, and voluntary movement. The cerebellum and medulla are important, but your cerebrum is the powerhouse for thinking and remembering. 1 point if you got it right. Let's move on. Question 2. Which muscle helps you breathe? A, biceps, B, diaphragm, or C, quadriceps? The answer is B, the diaphragm. This dome-shaped muscle contracts and relaxes to pull air in and out of your lungs. It's the unsung hero of your respiratory system. 2 for 2, let's keep going. Question 3. What connects the brain to the spinal cord? A, pons, B, medulla, or C, thalamus? The answer is B, the medulla. It's the main highway for information and controls vital functions like heartbeat and breathing. If the cerebrum is the CEO, the medulla is the head of operations. How are you doing so far? Question 4. How many bones are in an adult human body? A, 300, B, 206, or C, 152? The answer is B, 206. You start with more as a baby, but many fuse as you grow. Each bone has a specific job, from your ears to your legs. Let's see if you know what some of those bones are called. Question 5. Which bone protects the brain? A, spine, B, skull, or C, sternum? The answer is B, the skull. It's your body's built-in hard hat made of fused plates to protect your brain. The spine protects your spinal cord and the sternum protects your heart. Let's keep going. Question 6. What's the longest bone in the body? A, humerus, B, tibia, or C, femur? The answer is C, femur. Your thigh bone runs from hip to knee and is the strongest bone in your body. It supports your weight and handles the stress of movement. Did you get it right? Question 7. What does the cerebellum do? A, memory storage, B, breathing control, or C, balance and coordination? The answer is C, balance and coordination. The cerebellum fine-tunes your movement so you don't stumble around. It's the brain's quality control for motion. Shout out to your cerebellum if you're not tripping over your own feet. Question 8. What type of muscle is found in the heart? A, skeletal, B, smooth, or C, cardiac? The answer is C, cardiac muscle. It works non-stop, pumping blood your whole life. Unlike skeletal muscle, it's involuntary and never tires. It's one of the most vital tissues in your body. Let's keep the streak alive. Question 9. Which part of the brain controls breathing and heartbeat? A, cerebrum, B, medulla, or C, cerebellum? The answer is B, medulla. It manages your heart rate and breathing automatically. It's your body's life support system. Tough one if you weren't paying attention earlier. Question 10. Which bone forms the backbone? A, ribs, B, vertebrae, or C, pelvis? The answer is B, vertebrae. Your spine is made of 33 vertebrae stacked for strength and flexibility. The ribs and pelvis connect to it, but vertebrae are the backbone's building blocks. 10 down, 10 to go. 10. Question 11. Which muscle is used when you smile? A, masseter, B, orbicularis oculi, or C, zygomaticus? The answer is C, zygomaticus. It pulls your lips up into a smile. It attaches to your cheekbone and the corner of your mouth. Smiling is literally easier than frowning. Question 12. How many muscles are in the human body? A, 400, B, 650, or C, 1000? The answer is B, 650. That's over 650 muscles powering your every move. They make up about 40% of your body weight. Did you get close? Question 13. Which organ controls all body activities? A, heart, B, lungs, or C, brain? The answer is C, brain. It's the master controller, processing everything you do, think, or feel. The heart is the engine, but the brain is the driver. Easy point, right? Question 14. What connects bones to bones? A, tendons, B, cartilage, or C, ligaments? The answer is C, ligaments. Ligaments link bone to bone, holding your joints together. Tendons connect muscle to bone, don't mix them up. They're the unsung heroes of your skeleton. Question 15. Where is the smallest bone in the body? A. Ear, B. Toe, or C. Nose? The answer is A. Ear. The stapes or stirrup is the tiniest bone and helps you hear. It's part of a delicate system that transmits sound. Amazing what tiny bones can do. Question 16. Which muscle pumps blood? A. Diaphragm, B. Biceps, or C. Heart? The answer is C. Heart. It's a muscular organ that beats about 100,000 times a day. It pumps blood through thousands of miles of vessels. An easy point to keep your score climbing. Question 17. Which part of the brain controls emotions and decision-making? A. Cerebrum, B. Cerebellum, or C. Medulla? The answer is A. Cerebrum. The frontal lobe is key for personality, emotions, and choices. It's the seat of who you are. The cerebrum does more than just think. Question 18. Which bones protect the heart and lungs? A. Vertebrae, B. Ribs, or C. Clavicle? The answer is B. Ribs. Your rib cage is a flexible, protective barrier for your vital organs. 12 pairs of ribs attached to your spine and most to your sternum. It's your body's personal roll cage. Question 19. What type of muscles move your arms and legs? A. Cardiac, B. Smooth, or C. Skeletal? The answer is C. Skeletal muscle. These voluntary muscles attach to your skeleton and let you move. When you flex or run, you're using skeletal muscles. One question left. Final question. Which side of the brain controls the left side of the body? A. Right, B. Left, or C. Both equally? The answer is A. Right. Your brain is cross-wired. Right controls left, left controls right. That's why a right brain stroke affects the left side of the body. Super cool fact to end our quiz. That's a wrap. Tally your score and post it in the comments. Did you ace it or learn something new? Let me know. The human body is an incredible machine, and now you know a bit more about how it works. If you enjoyed this quiz, hit like and subscribe for more. Challenge a friend and see who's the real body genius. Thanks for watching. See you next time.